Welcome back to the channel, creators. If you are ready to ditch your smartphone and step up your visual game, you need the right gear. Today, we're reviewing the best camera for beginner photographer setups. Whether you are vlogging, traveling, or learning photography basics, we have 5 incredible options to elevate your content. Let's dive in.
Product number 1, Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera. The Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera remains the absolute gold standard for those wanting a true introduction to professional photography. Featuring a massive 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, this camera captures stunning, high-resolution images with gorgeous background blur that smartphones simply cannot replicate. It comes equipped with a reliable 9-point autofocus system and an optical viewfinder, teaching you the foundational mechanics of framing and focusing like a pro. The included EFS 18-55mm lens provides fantastic versatility for everything from sweeping landscapes to intimate portraits. Furthermore, its built-in Wi-Fi and NFC technology make transferring photos to your smart devices an absolute breeze, allowing for instant social media sharing. While it is slightly bulkier than a compact point-and-shoot, the tactile feel of physical dials and interchangeable lenses makes the Rebel T7 an unbeatable educational tool for anyone serious about learning real photography fundamentals.
Product number 2, Abubu DC226 8K digital camera. Next on our list is the Abubu DC226 8K digital camera, an absolute powerhouse for creators wanting extreme resolution without breaking the bank. This compact unit boasts an incredible 88-megapixel sensor and captures eye-popping 8K video, ensuring your memories are preserved with unprecedented clarity. The device features a vibrant 3.2-inch touchscreen, making menu navigation and shot framing incredibly intuitive for absolute beginners. One of its standout features is the 16x zoom combined with a hybrid autofocus system, effortlessly tracking faces and fast-moving subjects. It also includes essential tools like anti-shake technology, a built-in flash, and dual batteries, so you never run out of juice mid-shoot. Coming complete with a charging stand, lens hood, and a 64GB memory card right out of the box, the Abubu DC226 offers an incredibly comprehensive starter package for vloggers looking for maximum pixel density in a highly portable format.
Product number 3, Teftimon 4K digital camera. The Teftimon 4K digital camera is perfectly tailored for aspiring vloggers and YouTube content creators who need versatility on the go. This lightweight, travel-friendly camera captures beautiful 4K video alongside sharp 64-megapixel still photos. Its greatest asset is the 3-inch 180-degree flip screen, allowing you to perfectly frame yourself while recording solo content or taking selfies. The advanced autofocus system tracks subjects in real time, eliminating the frustration of blurry footage when you are moving around. With a 16-time digital zoom, you can easily pull in distant details during your travels. Additionally, it seamlessly connects to your devices via built-in Wi-Fi and even functions as a high-quality webcam for live streaming or online meetings. Packaged with 2 batteries and a 32GB SD card, the Teftimon provides immediate, out-of-the-box readiness for anyone eager to start creating content quickly and affordably.
Product number 4, ArrayApix 4K digital camera. Coming in at number 4 is the ArrayApix 4K digital camera, a fantastic all-in-one solution designed for extreme ease of use. Equipped with a latest generation CMOS sensor, it delivers crisp 64-megapixel images and smooth 4K Ultra HD video. What makes the ArrayApix shine is its dedicated companion app, which allows you to wirelessly transfer and share your creative shots to social media in seconds. Like the previous model, it features a highly practical 180-degree flip screen for effortless self-vlogging, paired with a reliable autofocus system to keep your subjects sharp. It also includes a robust built-in flash for low-light environments, a 16x digital zoom, and versatile shooting modes like time-lapse and slow motion. Complete with anti-shake functionality and a webcam mode for seamless video calling, the ArrayApix is a durable, user-friendly companion for casual photographers and everyday adventurers alike.
Product number 5, Flatic cameras for photography. Rounding out our list is the Flatic digital camera, offering remarkable value for beginners looking for a fully loaded, budget-friendly kit.
This compact point-and-shoot steps up the game by offering vibrant 5K Ultra HD video at 30 frames per second, alongside 64-megapixel photo capabilities. It stands out with a slightly longer 18x digital zoom, giving you extra reach for travel and wildlife shots. Low light performance is enhanced thanks to an integrated LED fill light and an automatic pop-up flash, ensuring your nighttime portraits remain bright and clear. The Flatic is incredibly lightweight at just 8.5 ounces, making it the perfect pocketable travel companion. The interface is purposefully designed with simple tutorials for novices. Arriving with a 64GB card, dual batteries, a flip screen, and a shoulder strap, this camera delivers an exceptionally complete vlogging experience right out of the box.